I am here in Gili once again, but today we're going to be heading to Gili Meno. It's like around 8 AM I think right now, and I think the boat that we're getting across there is going to be around 11. So currently I'm just at our place in Casa Tropical. Pretty cool place to stay if you come into Gili. You can see you got a few other places here. Got a cat. Looks pretty chill. So every morning they serve like pancakes and coffee, and you can just eat it while you're sat here. So yeah, that's pretty nice. So we are on our way now. Should be an easy travel day today since the island's so close, even though we're carrying all this stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be good at least. And I think we've still got an hour, but I heard that it's best to get to the terminal early to make sure you can get a ticket. I think there's only like a limited amount of seats, so yeah, we're gonna get there like an hour early. So we're just waiting for our boat now. It turns out that the public boat to Gili Meno, there's only 2 per day, so it's like at 9:30 I think and 4 PM, and that was only like $1.50 or something. So the one that we're getting at 11 is actually a private fast boat, and it ends up costing like $5 per person. So that's just something to keep in mind, because yeah, it's way more expensive. So yeah, now we're just waiting. I think we got about 30 minutes and then we'll be heading there. Alright, so we've arrived now, and it took only like 10-15 minutes to get here, so super quick on the fast boat. And luckily our place I think is only like a 3-minute walk from the port where they leave you, so yeah, we're just walking there now. Hello? Airbnb?
Oh, yeah, Airbnb.
Yeah.
Community.
Okay. Arrived at the place we're going to be staying for the night. It's basically like a wooden hut, but this one has AC, and once again insanely cheap. This was $10, the same as the one that was on Gili, but that one didn't have AC, and this also includes breakfast. So yeah, just crazy value for the money you're spending. So a very small place really. Carol's passed out. Too hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. And bathrooms just pretty simple. Whoa. Got your shower here. So I also got 2 masks as well, and yesterday I think they charged like 50,000 rupiah for the mask, but here it's only like 10 each, so way cheaper as well. So we're gonna head to the west side of the island now, because there's something really cool there to see. You're gonna see soon. So this island is the smallest of the 3 Gili islands, and it's also the least visited. And just walking around right now, I've been walking for like 10 minutes, and I can definitely see that, because pretty much the majority of it's like this, like forests and dirt paths, and you don't really see anyone at all. There's a few like local houses that we passed and stuff, barely any tourists, and yeah, it's just like super quiet. It's just interesting to see how different it is to Gili, and it's right next door. Over there was kind of a lot more noisier and busier. So this is a good spot if you want to like escape the world, it seems, because yeah, it's just really quiet and peaceful here.
It's our type of island.
Yeah, me and Carol, we usually prefer these kind of islands, just more laid back. So yeah, looks like it's gonna be pretty cool. Mr. Goat. Hey, Mr. Goat. Look at these little horns. Alright, we're at the west side of the island now. Over there you can see Gili, where we were this morning. Really beautiful beach, just like over there. Really white sand. And here's the spot that we want to go in the ocean. So the spot that we've come to is basically like a diving spot. It has some like underwater statues, which looks really cool. Right now there's a lot of boat tours here, so we're just waiting for the boats to leave and then we're gonna head in. So we should kind of have it to ourselves. I think there's a few other people using the same tactic as us, but at least it won't be like overcrowded. See? Found a nice restaurant on the east coast. Got myself a bintang Indonesian beer and have this awesome view here. Super calm here right now. And there in the background you can actually see the third and final island, Gili. So we're gonna be heading there tomorrow. Check it out. What have we got here, Carol?
Baked potato with tuna.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Yeah.
And that was like just around $4 US. Super cheap.
Okay, smoked salmon.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
So I got smoked salmon, baguette, and fries. Also comes with cream cheese, I think. So that was also just around like $4. I think a bit less than $4, so also really cheap as well. Yeah, the smoked salmon part tastes really good, really tasty. How's your baked potato?
Good.
Good. So we come down to the beach now on the east coast. Probably the nicest beach we've seen yet. Here is like really soft sand, not that much corals. All the other beaches we've been to, even on Gili, was always like corals and hard to walk on. But this is like really fine white sand. And also, yeah, the water is just absolutely beautiful here. I mean, look at that color. We've just been snorkeling a bit. Carol said she saw a turtle before around here. We're not at the turtle point. There's a point like further down south where apparently you get to see the turtles and stuff. But yeah, there's just loads of fish here. I think around all the islands here, there's always something to see. But each one has some like points marked where like the best diving spots are. But even here, which isn't really a diving spot, still loads of colourful fish. So I think I'm gonna go back in and hopefully try and find some turtles there. found ourselves a restaurant on the west coast. Very different to on Gili. Gili, it's always pretty packed at sunset hour. Right now it's just us and just like 2 other people and that's it. But we found a cool little spot here. You got like a little thing to lie down on, cushion, and the sunset. Probably gonna look pretty cool. I do only have my GoPro today, so yeah, it's not the ideal camera for sunset, and I think I've only got like 8% battery, so I'm not sure how many scenes I'll get, but we'll see.